Hello! Welcome to the Ardunio troubleshooting channel, or something like that. Right, okay. Arduino board. I'm fairly sure this is a practical carbon copy of the one in the diagram on the website of the nice man. What mine does is runs the glow plug. Sometimes the water pump runs. I don't know why. Everything's connected as well as I think it should be. The glow plug being on is deliberate by the Arduino. If I unplug it, the glow plug goes off. If I plug it back in, the glow plug comes back on. I do not know why. If I take the Arduino away, they all go out. All the MOSFETs are doing what they're supposed to do. Like if I give them 5 volts, they turn on. Don't give them 5 volts, they stay off. The inputs, you've got the 2 thermistors there and this switch. If I press the switch, does anything happen? Nope. Okay. Nothing happens. Here is the serial output from the board. I see the temperature from the 2 thermistors, lots of zeros, and not a lot else. Why is it not turning on? Well, when I press the switch, I don't see, it doesn't say, turn on. And why is the glow plug on all the time? Why does the water pump? Why does it only run a little bit? Like if I press reset, reset button. So if I press reset, it goes off, glow plug comes on, the water pump is on, it's just a bit dim. Can you actually see? There you go. Water pump is on. And then the water pump will go back off. But the fuel pump never turns on. And the burner fan never turns on. And it never changes. And it just goes through showing zeros. Any help would be really, really appreciated.